IKEA. 501. 975. 89 Sniglar changing table, Beech, white by IKEA. Is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Comfortable height for changing the baby. Practical storage space within close reach. You can always keep a hand on your baby. Good to know recommended size of changing pad, 24 x 14, max. Thickness 3/4. Never leave your child unattended on the changing table. May be completed with Scotsman changing mat. Care instructions: wipe clean with a damp cloth. Wipe dry with a clean cloth. Stains can be removed by using an eraser, sandpaper or a mild soapy solution. For surface treatment, use an agent suitable for children's products, e.g. IKEA's Behandla wood treatment oil for indoor use. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Nullify. Singular changing table, Beech, white. Main parts: solid beech, solid beech, solid beech. Bottom panel: fiberboard, foil, acrylic PAINTB07MW3113D.